Orlando. Swim with Manatees and Homosassa State Park visit. On this enchanting day-long excursion, visitors embark upon a serene journey through the crystal-clear waters of Crystal River, where they encounter the gentle manatees. Known affectionately as sea cows, these majestic creatures serve as the gentlest inhabitants of the aquatic realm. As swimmers, guests have the unique opportunity to explore the pristine waters, where manatees frequently approach their human companions with curiosity and playfulness. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, there's also the option to snorkel or simply bask in the beauty of the surrounding environment. A refreshing lunch, arranged at an affordable cost, follows, allowing guests ample time to appreciate the stunning natural scenery before visiting the breathtaking Homosassa State Park. This protected area offers a haven for various endangered species, including Florida panthers, providing a fascinating glimpse into the state's wildlife. With its combination of leisurely exploration and educational insights, this engaging tour caters to both families and nature enthusiasts alike, making it an ideal destination for those looking to immerse themselves in the serene splendor of Florida's coastal landscapes. Orlando. Wild Florida Airboats and Gator Park experience. Experience the natural splendor and exhilarating adventures of Wild Florida Wildlife and Adventure Park in Central Florida. This premier attraction features diverse attractions such as a raised boardwalk through a typical swamp, an extensive alligator park, exotic animal exhibits, and captivating shows. Upon arriving, embark on a 35-mile journey in a comfortable, air-conditioned vehicle. Start your morning with a 30-minute airboat ride on Cypress Lake, where you might spot gators, eagles, and other local wildlife aboard the thrill-seeking flat-bottomed boat. The next stop is the 14-acre Gator Park, offering a wide array of animals, including endangered Florida panthers and playful lemurs and sloths. Follow this with a hearty barbecue lunch at Wild Florida's rustic Chump House Diner, where you can enjoy stunning lake views while savoring homemade fare. Indulge in the exclusive drive-through safari park experience, a unique opportunity to observe a multitude of animals, both native and exotic, roaming freely. Witness the excitement of getting face-to-face with over 100 species of animals in their natural habitat. End your trip with a memorable encounter with the graceful giraffes, where guests have the chance to offer them treats. As part of the package, each passenger receives a bag of gator feed at the Gator Park, and every group member enjoys a digital photo taken during the safari. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to explore the wonders of nature and witness the incredible diversity of life within the boundaries of Wild Florida Wildlife and Adventure Park. Orlando's Lake Norris. 5-hour kayak explorer tour with lunchette. Explore the captivating beauty of Lake Norris, a darkwater lake nestled within Florida's ancient cypress swamps. Nestled among the stunning dwarf cypress trees, this hidden gem offers an otherworldly ambience. Over 100 active osprey nests dot the cypress trees, enhancing the allure of this pristine oasis. Lake Norris serves as a thriving habitat for diverse wildlife, expanding the Florida black bear corridor. River otters, alligators, turtles, and various snake species inhabit its winding paths. This immersive experience is a nature lover's dream come true. Join our 5-hour guided kayak explorer tour, covering a thrilling 9-mile round trip. Enjoy a paddle through the tranquil waters, surrounded by towering cypress trees that create a serene and magical atmosphere. Our knowledgeable guides provide insights into the area's rich history, unique flora and fauna, and ecological significance, deepening your connection with this remarkable ecosystem. Experience the interplay of light and shadow on the dark water surface, as the twisted roots of the dwarf cypress trees add an element of mystery to the landscape. Capturing breathtaking moments of the lake's beauty, from ospreys nesting in the treetops to mesmerizing reflections on the water. Each frame will preserve the memories of this unforgettable journey. Indulge in a delicious lunch amid the captivating surroundings, savoring the flavors while immersing yourself in the tranquility of Lake Norris. Our tour caters to all skill levels, ensuring both experienced kayakers and beginners can enjoy this extraordinary adventure. Safety and comfort are our top priorities, allowing you to relax and fully embrace the natural wonders around you. Don't miss the opportunity to embark on this extraordinary 5-hour kayak explorer tour of Lake Norris in Orlando. Experience the hidden wonders, marvel at the wildlife, and create lasting memories. Immerse yourself in the untouched beauty of this unspoiled landscape and let Lake Norris enchant your senses. Book your adventure now, and prepare for a remarkable journey through one of Florida's most breathtaking natural treasures.